Hey guys, and welcome to another computer vision video. I've been out for probably some month now without giving you guys any video. So today I took it upon myself to resume to work and cover all the latest updates in the field of computer vision. All right, so today we'll be doing something simple. I'll be teaching you guys how to run object segmentation using only few lines of code. All thanks to Ultralytics, because with their wrapper we are able to just run a whole lot of things using only few lines of code, and that's what I'm going to show you. All right, so let's get into it. So first of all, what do you need? With the requirements, you only need Ultralytics. CV zone, we don't need it this time. So you only need to install Ultralytics by doing pip install Ultralytics. But before that, you can create a virtual environment so that there's no any future conflict among your packages. So that's just by the way. After installing Ultralytics, all you need is these three lines of code to run object segmentation, and I'll explain. So from Ultralytics, we are importing YOLO, okay, so that we can instantiate it and specify our desired YOLO model we want to use. All right, so we say model here, and this is called to instance of the YOLO we've imported. And over here, we are specifying that YOLO v8, that we want the nano version of the model, and we want the segmentation model .pt. So we are just specifying the model we need. If you have been following this channel, you know for YOLO v8 we have nano version, we have the small version, we have also is it the medium version. Okay, so we have other variations based on the tasks you want to perform. You might choose one or the other. All right, so we'll be using only the nano version, which is very small, lightweight, so it can be able to run faster or somehow fast on your CPU. But if you have GPU, you can explore all the other options around. Okay, from there we say result, and then in this our model, the first thing we want to pass through is our camera index. So if you have camera attached to your computer, you can just pass it right there. If you have multiple cameras and you are looking for a specific one, you can try with 0, which takes your first webcam attached to your computer. You can also try 1, 2, and so on to get the right camera to work with. So simple, right? From there, we say show is equal to true, because we want this to actually pop up some frame for us so that we can see whatever is going on. And from there, we also say save is equal to true, so that maybe it can save some file with whatever we are doing uh, right away. Okay, so that's it. Everything will be returned in this result variable, such as the coordinates, the bounding box. All those information will be in the result variable, so we can even print also that. All right, so from here, all you need to do now is to run it. That's all. So simple. All thanks to Ultralytics for making this very simple for us. So let's give it a shot. Here we go, guys. So you can see it has started running. Quite unfortunate that I'm running this on CPU, so my speed is not that enough. So you can see it's segmenting anything you can see available. I think I got this bottle here. Let me raise it up and let's see how it performs on it. So this is performing greatly. Let me also bring back my computer webcam so that it can get my full picture. So you can see how great this works, and you can see how easily it can what segment anything it sees around. All right, so guys, this is all I want to show you in this particular tutorial. It's very easy one to do. Thanks to Ultralytics once again for making this possible. All right. Okay, so that's it. I can quickly close this since you guys are well, and we can also go through what we are getting from the result. Okay, so you can see it has seen a bottle, a person, and so on. So we can get all these classes. So with the result, we can get the boxes, can get the marks and the probabilities as well. Okay, so this is all for this tutorial. If you like it, make sure you leave a comment. You also like it and share with any of your friends. Thanks for watching as usual, and I'll meet you in the next tutorial.